All right, prime time. Here's the video to find our one mini winner that will get the 2 spots in the main, and then we'll as soon as payments run, we'll go ahead and run the main as well. So let's see here, April 6th at 2:05 p.m. We're gonna go over to the mini and type live, and we have April 6th at 2:05 p.m. There's the list of our 14 entrants in the mini. Oh, Donald didn't get a number there. Stupid copy and paste. All right, there we go. So these are our 14 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then for this one, whoever is on top after the final roll will get both spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 6. All right, 6 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final. Good luck. And it is Luke in spot 8. You're going to get both main spots, Luke. So I'll just go ahead and fill those in for you since we don't have to pick anything. There's our verification code and our timestamp. Once again, April 6th at 2:06 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.